Recording now.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Tim. Today I will show you how to use our sound system. First thing you do, I'm gonna get nice and close here, is you will turn on the on-off system. This is the one you press. Do not press this one. Don't press that one. Press this one. This will turn on. You will see lights. Ooh, ah, whoa. After that, you will come over to this panel. This is where things get a little tricky. You're gonna want to press, you wanna make sure you're on this screen. If you're on any other screen, you will press this double square button to get you back. The first thing you will get is you go to this first one called BR Presets. You will press OK when it's highlighted. On the top left, it says Wall Mixer, and underneath in brackets, it says Press. You will then press it, followed by the double square button. You will then scroll down one, turning it to the left. It will say BR Power and Con. You will press OK again. System on off. You'll press it. It has 0. You'll press it so it says 1. You don't have to worry about touching the screen or the projector. Those are no longer controlled from this panel. Once you've pressed that, you will go and press the double square again, and then you'll go down to BR Mixer. Now, on here you have 3 options: blue, red, and WP3-3A. The red is the red microphone, the blue is the blue microphone, and this is the box down here. So you will want to press muted so it says unmuted, muted so it says unmuted, muted so it says unmuted. Once you do that, this ideally will work. You will grab your microphone, you will turn it on, and it works. All right. And that will work with this one. And it should work with this one as well. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. If you want to turn up the volume, you don't do that here. You come over here to this wall. You will go back to the BR mixer, press OK. You will highlight red or blue. This is red. So then you'll turn the knob. You can turn it all the way down. Or if you want it really loud, you can turn it all the way up so it's super duper loud. Usually we keep it a little bit below those little dots that they have there. You can either use these or these. They're on the same channels though, so you can't have them both on at the same time. So if I want to use the blue lapel mic, the blue hand mic can't be on. I'm still talking to the mic. So those are off. You can come, if you'd rather use a lapel mic, which I probably use for like most classes and senior lunch guests, and then you can come here and this one will be on. In terms of getting music going, there is.
So that was the microphone segment. Now we're moving on to the sound segment.
Now we're moving on to getting sound. Do you have? Is your iPhone? It looks like a USB-C.
I think so.
Okay. It is. Rats. Okay, so we'll have to get another dongle for in here. But what you would do is this aux cord here plugs into. Actually, do you have your computer? Does it have an aux cord? It does, I think.
I think so too.
Yes. Okay. So.
Do you want me to log in?
It is logged in.
Okay.
I'll just pull up something on YouTube.
Yay.
You already have one up. Look at that. Underground Sessions podcast.
Nice.
Doing your research.
I am.
So for background music, this can go into a phone or into a computer. And then you'll just press something.
What is that connection called?
An aux cord.
Oh, but the actual, like...
This?
The part that plugged in, is that...
That's the aux.
The whole thing is aux?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then you'll go down here and you will find iPhone.
Wow.
Of course, it's not going to work.
Is it already playing on the device?
And as a bonus to Real Conference, we are doing a few different podcasts. I am doing in this episode interviewing Neil Shenby on the issue of critical theory. What is it? Why should Christians care? He's written
mono is going to be your everything. up and down.
Okay.
On critical theory in general. That's the topic of our conversation today. I think you'll find this conversation
is the aux.
really informative.
Okay.
Okay, so that's how you do that. And then if you want to play it out of your phone, you'll need, depending on what iPhone you have,
We'll need some kind of
or if you have an
connector.
Android, you'll need.
So that one doesn't work. I mean, it doesn't fit.
It won't go into the newer
Got
iPhones.
it. Got it.
Okay. Last step, projector
Yes.
and HDMI. You will find the projector remote.
Okay.
You will find the power on button. Most people will go and press this one because we associate this with power.
Yes.
And everyone's like, I can't get it to turn on. I'm like, well, unfortunately, you're pressing the wrong button. Not your fault. So you'll press that. This should come on. If it doesn't, you should see lights. There you go. It blinks. Sometimes it takes a little bit. And the Jumbotron will boot up. While that's happening, you can come over here and find your HDMI cord. HDMI cord will be tucked behind the little console there.
It's always connected on that end.
Yes, always
Okay.
will be connected on this end.
Okay.
This will plug in. This should show up on the screen. If for some reason it doesn't, it means it was on a different input, right? If you look over here, we have this little, it's labeled with video. So let's say there's a class in here, or you need to play a DVD, you will press the Blu-ray, and this will connect to our Blu-ray player. So if you're playing a DVD for a class or for an event, you'll come in and you'll press the Blu-ray. We have Chromecast in here as well, I believe. It's probably just not on. Yes,
Oh,
we
there
have
it is.
Chromecast as well.
Okay.
For any streaming for events that you might want. Computer is going to go, number one, it's going to go to the HDMI. So we'll go back to that. And then it will
Perfect.
show up on your screen. We can press this, see if we get sound. Buffering.
So, in theory,
the
sound would broadcast from the device
Yes.
if it's on the computer setting. All right.
If you need to check your sound and things are being weird, you can go over to your sound settings on. Okay, not getting up. Oh, that came out of your computer, not out of the sound system.
He's going into troubleshooting mode.
This is weird. Sound output. Why is it not giving an option for it? What is going on with our Wi-Fi, man? Anyway,
Which, for this Sunday, it shouldn't be an issue because I probably won't run.
won't run sound.
Well, just background. Nah, I guess I need to know this. Background music.
All right, for some reason, it just won't load.
Should I?
It's wild.
Should I try a different YouTube? I guess that won't make a difference.
Don't think it'll make a difference. Yeah, for some reason, the sound is coming out of your computer and it's not registering that the HDMI is a sound output,
Oh.
which is weird.
Yeah.
I've never had this happen before. Strange man sound settings. Yeah, weird. But I can help out again with it on Sunday if we need.
Hey, Underground Sessions podcast listeners, I am here live at the Content Conference.
that's
We're
really
recording a
weird.
few podcasts. I know you heard her before, but today we're interviewing
Worst case scenario,
Adrienne Livingston. She works for
if this
World
happens
Nature,
to you,
and her focus is
you
human
need
sex
video.
trafficking. Really important
You could
issue
plug
in
this
our day
in.
and age. We're also going to dive into pornography, the pornography industry, how that intersects.
Oh.
You can do both.
Oh. Okay. Which one was that? That was the aux. Was that the aux?
Yeah.
Aux cable?
No, it's not working.
Of human sex trafficking. I hope you stick around for this really, really important episode and that it both benefits you and challenges.
Was that working from the aux?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is working from the aux. So worst case scenario,
Plug in both.
you can plug in both.
Okay.
And that's that. In terms of shutting everything down, you will find your remote. This time you will press the standby button. You'll press it twice. Once, twice.
All right, Adrian, hey, welcome to the Underground Sessions.
That was to shut everything down is the right button. Okay. And press it twice, you said.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll turn it off. And you can come here, press this one again.
Okay.
And then you can come back to the wall and kind of do the opposite, where you'll go mute, 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 back up, power off. And that's it. Sorry for some of the delays in the video, but we're all good now.
That's awesome.
That's how you do it.